Want a simple, healthy breakfast that helps you lose weight? Today I'll show you how to make overnight oats, a delicious, fiber-rich meal ready in just a few minutes. Ingredients: 1/2 cup rolled oats, 1/2 cup milk or almond milk, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 teaspoon honey, optional, your favorite fruits and nuts. Mix in the oats. Start by adding oats to a jar, pour in the milk, add chia seeds and a little honey for sweetness. Mix everything thoroughly. This combo is high in fiber and protein, keeping you full for hours. Adding fruits and nuts. Now add your favorite fruits. Bananas, berries, or apples work great. Add a handful of nuts for crunch and healthy fats. These make your breakfast nutritious and filling. Refrigeration and overnight prep. Cover your jar and refrigerate it overnight. In the morning, your oats will be soft, creamy, and ready to eat. Serving and benefits. Overnight oats are not only tasty but also help with weight loss. They keep you full longer, control cravings, are rich in fiber and protein. Enjoy this quick and healthy breakfast anytime. Try this overnight oats recipe tomorrow morning and see the difference. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy recipes.